everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I bring you a review, a design, and some swatches of the remaining Halloween stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang. And these are from the XL collection. So I have 0, 25, 27, 28, and 29. So let me show you here. Start with number 26, and I will have up-close images of these as well. But XL026, these are all full cover images, as you can see right there. And then on 27 we have more of that. Wow, so many different. It's like we're gonna need Halloween to be probably like a full year, right, for those that love the Halloween. And this one, so 28 is the only one that I see different of these four, that has some individual images here and then more of the buffet or full scenery type of images. Okay, and then 29 going back to the full cover images. Super fun. And I'm gonna go ahead, yes, you will see me remove the film of these. As always, they have the backing, nice plastic backing on the back, and the protective film, which I will remove prior to swatching. And then the sign that you will see me do, I am going to pick an image from each one of these, and I'm going to do them over this. Yeah, so this was the swatch that I was doing for some chrome flakies, and I know, yeah, with the red and gold it's kind of looking more like Christmassy, but yeah, I'm gonna make this work in using these Halloween images over this gorgeous chrome red and gold thing that I have going on here. And I know these are going to work well. As always, Beauty Big Bang has excellent quality on their stamping plates, and this is the time to start thinking about ordering your Halloween plates, guys, to get them just in time. I will have links down in the description bar below, and remember that you may save 10% by using my code NAQ57. Now I will go ahead and start with the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. An up-close view of the swatch images. What do you guys think? Aren't they super neat? And look, everything's stamped really well, everything from the fine lines to, oh, and I found this very curious, those hands, you know, they're usually kind of creepy looking, but there's nothing creepy about those. They seem kind of fancy design there. I like the candy skulls here. It seems like I don't have enough candy images on my Halloween plate, so I'm glad they added that. And this is quite curious too, the kitty sleeping on top of a pumpkin. Very neat. And these big images, the scenery ones, they're very cool. But yeah, and that's a fancy one too, with the 3 skulls in the center. But yes, I am very happy with these stamping plates. They're awesome quality. Thank you, BBB Big Bang, for sending me these to play with and review. And here is the mani I did. What do you guys think about this on over red and gold? And if any of you are interested in seeing these flakies, they came in an assortment of colors, so I'll be happy to do a video and showing you what those look like. And I applied them over a black gel. But here are all the stamping plates. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar below. Any questions about these leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and my design. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.